Namaste everybody, and we are going to begin worksheet 4. We have completed up to worksheet 3, and here we are going to understand how the negative sentences are formed rather. Like, read the following extract from Cinderella's diary. I tried to convince them, but they did not agree. Mind it, they did not agree. I wanted to go to the party, but my mother did not want. Now see, did not wanted. It is not written did not wanted. It is written just the base verb. Base verb or the root verb is used to make the past negative sentence. To form a negative sentence in the past tense, we use did not with the base form of the verb. Let's do it. This one is very easy. You can easily complete it. Cinderella's stepmother did not love her. Cinderella's, now you have to write this complete sentence here. Now after this you have to write did not work and then hard. You need to write, I am not writing the complete sentence, but you need to write Cinderella's stepsisters did not work hard. Cinderella enjoyed herself in the company of her stepsister. This is she did not enjoy, so it has to be written Cinderella did not. Now enjoy should be written like the V1 form, that is enjoy herself in the company of. Now you have to write the whole sentence here. The stepsisters cared for Cinderella. No, they did not care. The stepsister, now you write whole this sentence, and now after this did not care, not cared, did not care for Cinderella. Write this. Cinderella lived in a big house. No, Cinderella, write down Cinderella did not live in a big house. Complete the sentence. This one was the simple one. Okay. Here we are still continue. Cinderella's stepmother. Now write the complete sentence. Did not, after this, did not allow her to go to the party. Cinderella's stepmother helped. No. Now it should be like you write this sentence and then did not help her to get ready for the party. Next is the last one is the king visited Cinderella's house himself to give an invitation. No, he did not. So the king did not visit Cinderella. Now complete the sentence. So it is well clear that whatever sentences you have written using did not are negative sentences. Negative sentence means when do not use ed with regular verb while using did. Like she did not helped. This will be wrong sentence. It has to be she did not help. Okay. Cinderella wanted to go to the party. Cinderella did not want. This wanted has changed to want. Cinderella could not go to the party. Now let's see what is there in the. Now you have to. She did not have good clothes. There were many reasons that Cinderella could not go to the party. That is one of the reasons was that she did not have good clothes. She did not have transport facility, that is carriage or something. She did not have transport facility, or she did not have the company. She did not have friends. Company is also friends. She did not have company or friends. She did not have friends to accompany her. or she did not have here it is written I don't have good clothes. Acha, so it is already, help box is already given, so you have to write I can't go to the party, I don't have good clothes. She did not have good clothes. She did not have good shoes. She did not have any carriage or a chauffeur. She did not have any friend to accompany her. So you take the help from this box and complete the sentence. Next is worksheet 5. While the dance party was going on in the palace, a presses means very costly. Necklace was stolen from the Royal Museum. You will read the details to the theft later in the unit. The police interrogated means question kiya some servants in this regard. Complete the following interrogation with the help of the notes given below. Can you recollect means याद कर सकते हो, मतलब जो भी इंसिडेंट हुआ उसको वापस बोलने का. Can you recollect the things you did yesterday? Certainly I can. I cooked. Now you have to take help from this clue box. I cooked food at 2 p.m. and then swept. It is all about past action, so past verb is used, past tense is used. Swept, S-W-E-P-T, swept the room. Now at 4 p.m. what he did, changed. At 4 p.m. I changed curtains. Please write properly. And while doing so, noticed. See here, noticed. Noticed what? A stranger. I approached him, approached him, and while doing so, inquired a stranger. Okay, we have already done this, so it should not be here. We will continue from here. While doing so, I noticed. We have already done this. What did you do when you noticed the stranger? I approached him and inquired. See here, inquired about him. He told me that he stayed in guest room adjacent to the. He stayed in the guest room. See this sentence I am using. Guest room adjacent to the Royal Museum. Satisfied. What is next? Please see this. Satisfy. I returned. Please see the help box. Returned to the kitchen and at 5 p.m. cleaned the floor. Then I stopped the dog from going to the party hall. What is there? I finished my work at 7 p.m. applied, applies है ना, it is written applies, so we have to write past tense, applied. And ointment, ointment means malham, on my forehead and went to sleep. Can you give us that stranger's physical description, means outlook, what was the outlook of the person, physical description, that whether he was tall, dark or fat, and what was his how does it look, he looked, that has to be given to the police. Yes, I think I can. Very well, then we will record your statement, and thanks for your cooperation. Now see here, have you noticed that all the words that you have filled in the blanks are regular verbs? They ended in ed, d or t on their past forms. Have you also noticed that their spelling patterns are different? Now see here, stay, stayed, applied. Now see here, simply we are not doing like applyed, we are not doing this. Instead of this we are having ied. See the difference, ied changed ed, but here stop is stopped. See the difference in the spelling. Okay, we will do in the next class. Thank you. That's all for today. Stay safe. Bye.